Welcome to the installation instructions for the Rubbermaid Auto Flush Clamp Unit for toilets. Exclusive object lock technology sends out a continuous infrared beam that is reflected back by the presence of a person in front of the urinal or toilet. The Auto Flush Clamp urinal package includes the Auto Flush Clamp Unit, Allen wrench, sensor adjustment tool, and 4C alkaline batteries. To begin the installation, you must first check to see if the existing handle is leaking. If so, you will first need to replace the leaking handle. Do not push hard or punch the handle, push gently. Using the provided Allen wrench, remove the battery compartment on the Auto Flush Clamp Unit. Open the hinged screw covers with the Allen wrench and loosen the screws to leave a 1/4 inch gap between the base and the mounting cover. Slide the Auto Flush Clamp Unit onto the flush handle. Then, using the Allen wrench, secure the mounting clamp over the existing handle base and lock the covers. Once installation is complete, load the batteries into the compartment using the battery position marks on the inside. Reinstall the battery tray to the Auto Flush Clamp Unit. Then secure the battery tray into the Auto Flush Clamp Unit by turns of the Allen wrench. The last 3 turns of the wrench will activate the Auto Flush Unit. The Auto Flush Unit has a 7-minute startup sequence in which the sensor will flash the user in view lights for 5 seconds to lock on the object. The Auto Flush Clamp system is now operational and comes preset from the factory. There is also a courtesy manual flush button on the front of the Auto Flush Unit for manual activation of flush. The Auto Flush Clamp Toilet Unit may be adjusted for 24-hour auto flush and audio tone alarm for low batteries. To adjust the Auto Flush Unit after activation, first remove the battery compartment and the cover, and then replace the battery compartment tray. You may set the 24-hour flush control, which activates the flush after every 24 hours of non-use, to send a clean flush down the toilet. Moving the number 1 switch to off deactivates the 24-hour flush setting. If the internal audio tone alarm that goes off when batteries are low is not desired, move the number 2 switch to the off position. Once the 24-hour and audio tone settings have been set, remove the battery compartment and replace the cover. Replace the battery compartment tray to reactivate the Auto Flush Unit. Note that along with the audio tone alarm, if set, when the object lock sensor yellow light flashes, it's time to replace the batteries. Once installation is complete, the Rubbermaid Auto Flush Unit for toilets will provide effective, hands-free use in every washroom environment. Another innovative hygiene solution from Rubbermaid Commercial Products.